This is Leo. He just yawned. And now you're probably about to yawn too.
Yawning spreads faster than gossip. One yawn, and boom, everyone joins.
Your brain sees a yawn and says, yeah, let's do that too.
Yawning is linked to empathy. The more you connect with someone, the more likely you'll copy them.
Babies don't catch yawns, and neither do robots. Sorry, robots.
And no, yawning doesn't always mean you're tired. Sometimes your brain just wants a refresh.
Be honest, you yawned. So why is yawning contagious? Because human brains love copying each other, especially when they're bored.